story. Today I'm going to read you the legend of the 3 trees. I hope you enjoy the story. The legend of the 3 trees. Once upon a mountain top, 3 little trees stood and dreamed of what they wanted to become when they grew up. The first little tree looked up at the stars and said, I want to hold treasures. I want to be covered with gold and filled with precious stones. I'll be the most beautiful treasure chest in the world. The second little tree looked out at the small tree and its way to the ocean. I want to be traveling mighty waters and carrying powerful kings. I'll be the strongest ship in the world. The third little tree looked down in the valley below, where busy people worked in town. I don't want to leave the mountaintop at all. I want to grow so tall that when people stop to look at me, they will raise their eyes to heaven and think of God. I will be the tallest tree in the world. After years of praying that their dreams would come true, a group of woodsmen came upon the tree. One came to the first tree and said, This looks like a strong tree. I can sell the wood to a carpenter. After being cut down, the tree was happy because he knew that the carpenter would make him into a treasure chest. At the second tree, a woodsman said, This looks like a strong tree. I can sell it to the shipyard. The second tree was happy because he knew he was on his way to becoming a mighty ship. When the woodsman came upon the third tree was frightened because he knew that if they cut him down, his dreams would not come true. Uh-oh! A woodsman said, I don't need anything special from this tree, so I'll just take it back with me. When the first tree arrived at the carpenters, they made it into a feed box for animals. It was then placed in a barn and filled with hay. They cut the second tree and made a small fishing boat. They cut the third tree into large pieces and left it alone in the dark. The years went by and the trees forgot their dreams. Then one day a man and woman came to the barn. She gave birth and they placed the baby in the feed box made from the first tree. The tree could feel the importance of this event and knew that it held the greatest treasure of all time. Years later, a group of men got in the fishing boat made of the second tree. One man went to sleep. A great storm arose. The tree didn't think it was strong enough to keep the men safe. Man woke the sleeping man. He stood and said, Be calm, and the storm stopped. At this time, the tree knew that it had carried the King of Kings in its boat. Finally, someone came and got the third tree. It was carried through the streets as the people mocked the man who was carrying it. Later, they nailed the man to the tree and raised him up to die at the top of a hill. On On the third day, the tree came to realize that it was strong enough to stand at the top of the hill and be as close as God as was possible. Jesus had been crucified on it. When things are not going our way, remember that God has a plan for us. Place your trust in God. God will always give you what is best for you. Next time, when you feel down because you don't get what you want, hang in there a bit more because God is preparing something better for you. Thank you for listening to my story. Bye. See you next time.